Hi, boys and girls, and happy Friday to you. Today we are going to continue to learn about magnets. So I would like for you to click down here and first watch this video. After the video is done, I would like for you to come to the next slide and complete this activity. This is going to be about communicating information. Over here, you're going to write either a Y or an N if you think a crayon is going to be attractable to a magnet. Put a yes or a Y. Then the paper clip, yes or Y. These are rubber bands, yes or no. Y or yes, Y for yes, N for no. And then a feather. Then you'll go to number 2 and you're going to fill in the blank. Everything my magnet stuck to was made of, you're going to fill in this blank right here. After that, I want you to make a prediction. Remember, that is a smart, educated guess. So we are going to predict whether these items might stick to a magnet. So if you think a doorknob is going to stick, you're going to circle A. If you think a book is going to stick, you're going to circle B. And if you think the window is going to stick, you're going to circle C. Once you've done that, you'll go on to the next page and you are going to use your magnet to test your prediction. So you're going to test a doorknob, test a book, and test a window, and then decide whether your prediction was correct or not. And you can just write yes or no, and then draw a picture of yourself testing out your magnet. Once you're done with that, you'll go on to number 5 right here where it says draw conclusions and explain why you think some of the objects will stick to the magnet, or in this case, if they will not stick. Once you're done with that, you're done for the week. Have a great weekend.